Hi, it's April. Today I'm going to be creating a really fun spooky graveyard themed set using Makartt's pump ups in only 3 colors. This is a super quick and easy 10-minute design. I chose to use a purple from Makartt called Innocence with a cute iridescent glittery background, but you can choose any color and make it your own. So let's get started. Thank you guys for watching. If you recreate this look, make sure to tag Makartt_official and myself on Instagram, nailsby_April, so we can see how you made it your own. To shop any of the products that I used today, go to Makartt.com. Happy Halloween!